that there is a meeting that they will place the 96 and 97 in separate room. Colonel Gallardo, during that gathering, the President, former PNP Chief Bato de la Rosa, former now Senator and Senator Bongo is present. Dumaan po sa inyo, hindi?
I could not remember.
Oh, you cannot remember. Okay. Okay, you cannot remember. O, Colonel Patay, since you mentioned that you were not there, so wala. Wala kang alam.
Wala akong alam, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Colonel Leonardo, in that gathering is the President, former President, Colonel Bato, PNP Chief, now Senator Bato de la Rosa, and Senator Bongo, pumunta po doon sa room nyo. Yes or no?
Sir, ang naalala ko, nag-courtesy call po kami.
Hindi, tanong ko kung pumunta sa room nyo. Pumunta ba hindi?
Sa room na, kasi sir, naka-separate na room po.
Kaya nga, tinatanong ko sa room ng 96, the whole 96.
Not the whole 96, there are some class 96, Mr. Chair.
Hindi nga, yung nandun na 96. Alam ko naman hindi lahat eh.
Yes po.
Oh, yes.
Nag-meet po kami doon sa corridor po.
Oh, pero nandun kayo sa isang room.
Lumabas po kami doon sa room na parang waiting area.
Oh, cubicle. Cubicle, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Oh, yes.
Room siya.
Okay. So, nandun si Senator Bongo, Senator De La Rosa, and the President. Tama?
Hindi ko po ma-recall kung nandun si
Eh,
Senator
may in-introduce ka pa nga isa eh. May in-introduce ka pa nga isa eh. Na, Mr. President, this is blah, blah, blah. You don't recall?
Actually, marami po akong
Nako.
pinakilala ko po yung mga classmates ko.
Tapos, sino pa?
Meron din po kaming hindi classmates.
Sino nga?
Uh,
You cannot recall.
Marami po.
Okay,
Sir.
Mr. Chairman, dyan na muna. Hindi ko na muna ipitin si Colonel Leonardo to that question. Now, Colonel Galma, do you confirm that indeed during that meeting nandun pumunta si General Bato, si Senator Bongo, and the President?
No, Mr. Chair, wala akong naalalang pumunta si General Bato at saka si Senator Bongo dun sa aming...
Sa room nyo?
Yes, wala pong pangyayaring ganun po, Mr. Chair.
Okay, anyway, mukhang totoo yung sinasabi mo. Yan na muna ako. At least si Colonel Garma, as already stated, all those accounts with regards to the Bicol killings and the meeting, or sabi nga nila, courtesy call, that happens 3 days before. From July, then August 11, 12, 13, and it was on record that in the 3 jail or correctional, doon po sa The Bicol, doon sa Leyte, and doon sa Parañaque, nangyari lahat yung mga pagpapatay. And that includes yung grenade throwing doon sa Parañaque in relation to the drug killings. So you contradict the statement of Ms. Garma na isa sa pinag-usapan doon? Colonel Gallardo, you're under oath.
Yes,
Baka
Mr.
maaga
Chair.
ka.
I could not confirm the statement of...
So, no. None.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Wala. O anong ginawa nyo lang doon sa loob ng kwarto?
We were there the time, Mr. Chair.
No, tinatanong ko, anong ginawa nyo? Kasi nakakahon kayo doon eh. Di ba? Ako kinukonfirm ba na 96? Kaiba isang room, 97 sa kabilang room?
No, Mr. Chair.
Ha?
No, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Again, Mr. Chairman, let it put in record that Colonel Gallardo denied that there is a meeting that they will place the 96 and 97 in separate room. Colonel Gallardo, during that gathering, the President, former PNP Chief Bato de la Rosa, former now Senator and Senator Bongo is present. Dumaan po sa inyo, hindi?
I could not remember.
Oh, you cannot remember. Okay. Okay, you cannot remember.
So you are trying to tell this committee na either of you ikaw at saka si Madam Garma ang nagsisinungaling. Kasi hindi pwedeng nagsisinungaling pa yung parehas, di ba?
I could not confirm that, Mr. Chair.
Na. So, ang dinideny mo, yung sinabi ni Madam Garma na hindi nyo, na diniscuss ninyo yung Davao template.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Tama. Okay. Let's leave it at that. Pag nakakuha pa kami ng mga testigo na ikaw ay nagsisinungaling, tatamaan ka rito.